Here is my much requested crochet Doodlebob pattern. Here are a few notes before we get started. Here I have my materials and a list of them. We will begin with the squares. Using the white yarn, make a slip knot. Chain 15. Then, starting in the second chain from the hook, you're going to half double crochet 14 down your chain. Once you're done with this, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. For rows 2 to 10, you're going to half double crochet 14 down the line, chain 1, and turn your work. On the very last stitch, do not chain 1. Instead, I'm going to cut and tie off this yarn. Repeat the pattern for the second square, except instead of tying off the yarn, we're going to add black. I just do it by finishing that half double crochet with the black yarn. Now you're going to chain 1 and yarn over, insert your hook like you're going to do a half double crochet. Pick up square 1 and line it up evenly. Insert your hook into the adjacent stitch of square 1, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're going to finish your half double crochet like normal. You're going to half double crochet in both of these squares just like you did all the way down the line, and then place 3 half double crochet in the corner. Then you're going to repeat for the next 2 sides and leave the last side open. We are going to pause to stuff. Once you're satisfied with the amount of stuffing, you're going to finish the last line of half double crochet and the 3 half double crochet in the corner. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and then you can cut and tie off your yarn. Now I'm going to sew the yarn tail back into the project. Now it's time to heat up your glue gun. Take a long piece of that black string that you have and dab a little bit of hot glue onto the edge of the border. And I'm going to hot glue the yarn about 3/4 of the way there, maybe 2/3 of the way there. And I'm going to start making his little tie. So I kind of just shape it how I want it and hot glue it down. I'm going to put some hot glue for the little point. And I'm just going to finish off by gluing the rest of it down all the way to the other side. We're going to start making his little features. You're going to glue these little stubs onto the mouth as teeth. Glue the big white circle onto the slightly bigger black circle. And we'll do the same for the other one. And remember, when you're cutting out the felt, Doodlebob is literally a cartoon. He's literally drawn by an artist who may or may not be very talented. So don't worry about if your lines are straight or jagged or whatever. His eyes are also 2 different sizes, so if you want to play around with that, you can. Now I'm making the inner part of the eye. I have 2 smaller black circles and 2 even smaller white circles, and I'm going to glue them onto the big eye. Now I'm going to glue them onto my plushie. Here are the legs and feet. I don't go by any template or anything, I just free cut. And then I will put a little bit of hot glue on the front of them and stick it to the back of the border. And to be honest, I almost forgot about the eyebrows, that's why they're last. Here he is, all finished. Now we will begin the pencil. Here are the materials and a list of them. And we're going to start with the pink yarn. Place 6 single crochet in a magic ring. And pull to close. Row 1 is 1 increase in each stitch. This will leave us with 12 stitches. Row 2 is 1 single crochet and an increase 6 times. This will leave you with 18 stitches. Row 3, you're going to be using the back loop only. Place 1 single crochet in each stitch. Rows 4 to 5 consist of 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will meet you back when I am done with row 5. Now I will switch to gray by finishing off the last single crochet with the gray yarn. Rows 6 and 7 are 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now switch to yellow, and rows 8 to 21 are 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will meet you back after row 21. We are going to pause to stuff and switch to tan. Row 22 is 1 single crochet in each stitch. Row 23 is 4 single crochet and a decrease 3 times. This will leave you with 15 stitches. Row 24 is a 1 single crochet in each stitch. I forgot to put this on there, but obviously this will leave you with 15 stitches. Now we're going to switch to black. And row 25 is 3 single crochet and a decrease 3 times. This will leave you with 12 stitches. Row 26 is 2 single crochet and a decrease 3 times. This will leave you with 9 stitches. Row 27 is 1 single crochet and a decrease 3 times. This will leave you with 6 stitches. Now we will finish stuffing and slip stitch into the next stitch. Cut your yarn and sew the hole closed. Here is your pencil. We will hot glue one side of the pencil to one side of Doodlebob. I like to start with just hot glue on the black border and I will press it here for about 15 seconds. On the other side, I will attach the arm by applying hot glue and wrapping it around the pencil. Now I will just secure the pencil to his body with a lot more hot glue, and I will hold it for about 30 seconds. After drying for about 10 minutes, your Doodlebob is ready to go. Thank you for watching this pattern and tutorial. Comment any questions you have or future tutorials you would like to see.